Welcome to freefocusdance.com. I'm Chris Reid and we're doing basic acrobatic movement today. We're going to do the cartwheel. Here's my cartwheel, check it out. Start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's break it down. From my low squat, I put my first hand going in the direction that I want to go. I'm here, I want to go this way. This hand goes on the floor first. 1. My second hand goes beyond 2. I'm already in a stretched out stance. This leg goes into the air. So notice my first hand, my second hand, my leg on the same side as my second hand is going to kick across. My second leg comes on the other side to meet it. One more time. First hand, second hand, same side leg, second leg lands, and then I get up just like this. Once I start to get used to that movement, I'm going to make it a little bit faster and a little bit higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that. Until finally, after practicing those movements over and over again, everything is super straight, super strong, and I go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that. Guys, kicking with rotation, it's what's gonna make your cartwheel look pretty and end quickly, depending on the timing that you want for your cartwheel. All right, I'm Chris Reid, and that was the cartwheel.